A new wave of innovations is quietly reshaping daily life, from tiny sensors to energy-efficient processors. Adaptive materials learn usage patterns, letting appliances save power and respond faster without user input. Edge intelligence shifts decision-making to devices, reducing cloud latency and boosting privacy with on-device analysis. Immersive displays and biometric comfort transform ordinary screens into personal assistants that anticipate needs. If designers steer these advances with thoughtful care, technology will amplify creativity, create new jobs, and simplify everyday life.